Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto IQ. So you're ready to buy your first cryptocurrency. Amazing. But where do you start? In today's video, we're walking step by step through how to buy crypto safely, avoid common pitfalls, and get set up with confidence. First things first, you'll need a crypto exchange. This is where you'll buy your crypto using traditional money like dollars, pounds, or euros. Some of the most beginner-friendly and reputable exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Gemini. Look for an exchange with strong security, low fees, and a good user interface. Bonus points if it's regulated in your country. Once you've picked your platform, create your account. You'll need to provide some personal info for identity verification. This is totally normal. Next, secure your account with two-factor authentication, 2FA. It adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a code from your phone each time you log in. Simple, but powerful. Now it's time to deposit funds. Most exchanges let you fund your account using a bank transfer, debit card, or even Apple Pay. Bank transfers tend to have lower fees, while card payments are quicker. Make sure you're only using secure, official payment methods. Never send money to a random wallet address someone sent you on social media. You're all set to buy. Start with something simple. Bitcoin or Ethereum are solid beginner choices. On the exchange, enter how much you want to buy, review the transaction, and hit confirm. And just like that, you own cryptocurrency. Welcome to the club. Don't just leave your crypto on the exchange. For extra security, transfer your funds to a personal wallet. A hot wallet, like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, is fine for smaller amounts. For long-term storage, consider a cold wallet like Ledger or Trezor. Remember, not your keys, not your coins. As a beginner, it's okay to start small. Learn the ropes, double-check every step, and always be cautious. Crypto is exciting, but also full of scams. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Buying your first crypto is a huge step. Congrats on taking the leap. With the right tools and mindset, you're already ahead of the curve. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and share your first crypto experience in the comments. This is the Crypto IQ. Thanks for watching and happy investing.